Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can cash out on Sweatcoin. So in order to cash out on Sweatcoin, all you need to do is first thing first, make sure that you already have an account, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up or log in into your account. Once logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So right on this page, in order to begin with the procedure, click the wallet tab located right at the bottom. Now while you're on this page, go ahead and select the shopping bag icon located right at the bottom. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and select how you actually want to cash out. So then select either one of it. After that, you need to go ahead and read on how to claim. All offers will have different ways to claim as well. So all you need to do is just follow the instruction or listed in your how to claim section of the offer, and you will need to access your email to continue the procedure. Once you've done that, you need to tap the buy button that will be located under the offers image at the top of your screen and list the Sweatcoin price. This will redeem your Sweatcoin and send you cash after you follow the step listed in. So that's basically how you can cash out on Sweatcoin. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.